Well, it's spring here in Calgary when we present you our newest listing. It's a 1,500 square feet massive bungalow, fully remodeled with a triple car garage here in the community of Glenbrook. Super upcoming community. This property is rightfully located few minutes to downtown. So in fact, 15 minutes from downtown, 10 minutes to the best schools in the area, and there's 10 minutes to the Glenmore Reservoir. Now let's go inside and check it out. Man, it's cold outside and it's already May and we still have rain here in Calgary. Not the best spring that you want, but that's what it is. But now we're inside this beautiful home. As soon as you enter, you have a nice little mudroom nook, as to what I call. You have a little bench area here, little coat hanger space, and right there you have a great living area with massive windows and an electric fireplace. Okay, so in this living area, you have two wall scones, a massive design. Like, look at this. We use shiplap for this one to get like a little triangular design, which kind of like features in as a bold accent standing wall right here with the electric fireplace. Now going there, you have a huge hallway, which right here you have a dining area which can seat up to 6 people. So it's a pretty big space right by the stairs which goes to the basement. And then you have a massive kitchen here with a huge kitchen island. Now I don't know if you can see it, but this is sort of designed as a floating kitchen island. All right. Now this kitchen is brand new, has shaker style kitchen cabinets all throughout, very neutral tone, it's all white, and you have brand new stainless steel appliances all throughout. Now this home sits on a massive lot. It's over 6,000 square feet. Now obviously with that, you have a triple car garage and plus a huge backyard. Now right from the kitchen, you have massive patio doors, which leads out to a deck. It's kind of rainy outside, we're not stepping out, but then you have a large green space. So triple car garage and also an RV parking pad. Now, when you enter right from your garage onto the deck, you come out here, you have another mudroom space, which is a lot of shelving to shove all your jackets, whatever you need in there. And plus you have a little bench to sit and put your shoes or take it off, all right? Now let's go check out the bedroom. Heading onto the bedrooms, you have a very wide walkway, which then leads you to your powder room and also your main floor laundry. We do have hookups in the basement for a second set of laundry. And then on this floor, you have 2 bedrooms, this being the master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a huge ensuite. And then the other second bedroom has its own ensuite as well. Let's go down to the basement. Down here in the basement, you have a very good sized living area, which can fit a very fancy couch. Now look at this space, right? And you have 2 additional bedrooms down here, a full washroom, and a nice cute little wet bar. Now that you've seen the full home tour, you better call me to book a viewing for the home and put a damn offer on this property. I'm just kidding. But see you on the next one.